Chuck! Happy Monday evening. We're here for your personal 2-box Artifacts 24-25. One of the first products of the new season. Got one upside down label. We'll do it last. It'll be interesting to see. Okay. Box number 1. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Starting off with a dual jersey, 2 colors. Colton Parayko, 280 out of 299. Some blue and yellow. Orem Luke Hughes. Jersey. Bill Ranford, $5.99. Redemption. Wild card. 2, 3, 4. And Brennan Othman to $3.99. Letang to 75 for your Penguins. Caden Gooley to $4.99. And got a thick one. Let's see what we got. Base. Oh, looks like a Silky Mitts maybe. That'll be sweet. Let's see what we got. Oh, dude. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna leave it. Okay. Box. That's bigger than probably every hit we got in that other master case. You're in for a treat, buddy. Box 2. Oh, it's a Roman numeral, is it? Oh, my goodness, dude. Solid boxes of Artie. Number 4. Gold jersey, Roman numeral. Could just leave it. To 149, Victor Hedman. /35, Evander Kane. And you got Brendan Bryson in Church. Antiquity rookies. So cool cards. And the /699. 666 out of 699. Woo. Chuck, get that numbering on your Capitals card. And autograph. Taylor Radish. Nice. Chicago. Taylor Radish. Chicago, but it's the Capitals. Cool. Austin Matthews, gold foil board. Sweet. And Maxwell Crozier to $9.99. And another thick one. Let's see what we got. What do we got? It's a Remnants of the Cat, Alex DeBrincat. NHL Remnants. It's a black version, though. Game use mem. And, buddy, you ready for this? This is insane. Look at, oh my goodness. Inaugural ticket access, or access ticket. It's made of acetate. Oh boy. Colorado Avalanche. Joe Sakic, 1995-96 season. Oh my God. Ticket, bro. Oh my God. Number 6 out of 7. Bro, this card can't get better. Look at that. You got the whole Avalanche piece of the ticket from 1995-96. Wow. Wow. Joe Sakic, inaugural ticket access with the complete Avalanche logo. You ever see the trading card with an NHL game ticket stub? Enjoy your NHL ticket stub. 120-point season. Joe Sakic, 6 of 7. Congratulations, Chuck. Oh, this nasty personal box. Wow. So there we have it. We'll do a little recap for you. The Remnants jersey of the Cat, Matthews gold foil board, an autograph of Taylor Radish, Antiquities rookie of Bryson, Evander Kane to 35, Carlson to 75, dual jersey to 299, Colton Parayko. We have a Roman numerals redemption, gold jersey rookie, Roman 4. And this absolutely nasty Artifacts ticket, 6 out of 7, Joe Sakic, baby. There we go, buddy. Appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.